Today we came down to the Coe Hill Fair. Apparently it's supposed to be quite the good time here. You excited to see the fair, Kristen?
We haven't been to a fair in like 2 years, almost 3
that.
years since COVID stuff. So yeah. We used to go to the fairs all the time to show.
We're gonna go see what they got here. Sounds like they got a pony pole. Isn't that exciting? We'll head on over and it's kind of our afternoon off from the homestead to go check everything out here. Oh, there's the ponies over there. Look at them. They look pretty big for ponies, don't they? Oh. Sure, go sit.
Ponies are anything under 14 too. They're little.
There we go.
It's
That
the
means
height of them.
that means nothing to me. But hey, Kristen's a animal expert.
Post in the way for you to record.
Yeah. Okay, we're at this pony pole thing now. So explain the pony pole, Kristen. What's the deal here?
It is a competition of what team of ponies can pull the most weight. So they pull, and if they get a full pull, they keep adding weight until each team gets out.
All right, these ponies don't look too impressed. Let's see how this is gonna work.
They're impressed. They're just rearing to go because that's what they're ready to go as soon as they're hitched. See?
Oh wow.
So that chain has a horseshoe stand on the end. They have to pull that over.
The next round of ponies. What did they say about
2,600.
2,600 pounds now? I think they'll have no problem pulling these ones at all. It's okay.
Okay.
Like the ring. The last horses we did had
and that's a full hole for Glen Park, Jim and Ginger. Up next is Troy Wickett, Dan and Ben.
The left one's always ahead, even they can't work together and do higher weights if they won't pull at the same
That's a
time.
full hole for Troy Wickett. We're going to add some weight to our boat.
There's all the veggie entries. A friend of mine asked me if I was going to enter it, and I didn't really have much time because it was basically 2 days ago. But next year I will know. Cucumbers. Look at them all. I'll have to figure out what I need to do for next year to bring it down and see if we can win some prizes. Some nice looking aromas, eh?
What are the categories?
We'll have to check out the
Largest
categories.
ripe tomato. We could have totally gotten that one.
Yeah, we totally could have. This garlic, we'll have to check that out.
Yeah, we'll have to do.
Ooh, banana hot peppers. Those are bigger than the ones I'm growing.
3 peppers, other varieties.
This is the winner.
So you get some. Are those chili peppers there? Looks like chili peppers there. Oh, there's not much really entered. I could have probably brought some good stuff down. Like some nice carrots here. Those are a lot longer than mine.
Look at this.
Oh, that's a giant onion. Very nice. Cabbages. Oh, I should have brought cabbage down. I got lots of cabbages. Oh, potatoes. Are these fingerlings? White gourmet.
If you enter, do you have any Spanish onions?
I think I do have Spanish onions.
There's only one entry.
Really? Oh, my Spanish onions are kind of nice. Largest onion, eh? It's definitely bigger than some of my onions. Look at that cabbage. Savoy cabbage. Okay, we'll go see what else there is over here. Alright, here we go. So organic vegetables, minimum 5. Those are looking very nice. Got some basil, beans, cabbage, kale. Well, I could have entered some of this category too, probably. There, that looks nice. Oh, that's a nice basket there. Some more here. Oh, I can't believe people sell rhubarb. Okay, those are big zucchinis. I grown some big zucchinis, but that's like way bigger than my forearm. That's huge. Oh, that's a nice tomato there. Oh, some nice looking sunflowers too. Look at those. Alright, we'll continue on and see what else there is over here. Okay, next year I'm gonna have to try some giant pumpkins. There's only 3 entered here, so
Look who entered these. Mama, look who entered these.
it wouldn't be hard to grow some big ones and see if we can win a prize.
Read who entered these.
Pretty cool, lots of cool stuff in here.
Karen and Ellis.
Got a whole bunch of crafts and arts for kids
Those are the only
over here as well. All the different entries and stuff they have. Not sure what these are supposed to be for. Or junk sculpture. You got first place for his junk sculpture. Oh, this is pretty cool. These little ones here. Got first place. And a moose. Very Canadian. We got a moose. And all this other stuff up here. Oh, here's the Midway. All the games, you know, that are not rigged. Right? You want to play non-rigged fair games?
I'm good.
Alright, that's what I thought. Oh, we got little Nancy. She's dancing up a storm. Now she's getting camera shy. I have honestly never played a fair game in my life. And I'm sure we'll get over to the good old rides in a few minutes here. There we go. This is a ride I used to go on when I was a kid. It says Starship 3000, but it used to be called the Gravitron. They're just finishing up with the horse poles here, but the derby is apparently what everybody's here for. It's gonna be pretty fun. Never seen one of these before.
Thank you. Gentlemen, let's take this underway with the traditional 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes the tire.
This is quite humorous. Oh, someone's burning up. Don't think he's moving too much anymore.
And like that.
Oh, here come the fire guys. Oh, maybe not. Oh, some sparks flying up now.
15.5 trouble. Looks like it's a broken tire on it and a flat tire. That could be it for his night.
That's it. Try number 13. Don't know what's wrong with it. One's going. One's going. The short list going. Try number 20 under the count now.
Alright, I gotta head off. That was pretty fun watching that. Oh, another good hit.
2014.
Alright, time to head off.
Good hit.
Hey, get over here. There's the Coe HIll Fair, day away from the farm. How was that?
We should have dressed warmer, but other than that, we're good.
Yeah, it's getting cold now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the short video of the derby and whatever happened else we did here. Not a whole lot, but something to do. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day. And yeah, we'll see you later.